A video of a Russian military training accident is going viral and becoming a laughingstock. I found the full video and brought it here. The Russian military developed and recently tested a new mobile anti-drone device to counter Ukrainian drone attacks. During training, they lost control and caused an accident that endangered their own soldiers. This video spread rapidly, especially on social media. In the released footage, you can see that the Yak-B 12.7mm rotary heavy machine gun mounted on the truck starts firing and then suddenly begins to rotate sharply in an unexpected direction. The gunner couldn't withstand the strong recoil for a moment and was thrown off the weapon, while the machine gun kept spinning and firing live rounds in all directions. It rotated 1,440 degrees, causing the machine gun to fire everywhere. At that time, there was another soldier riding in the back of the truck. The video even captured the rotating barrel narrowly missing his head as he barely dodged the bullets. Afterwards, the soldier tried to grab the moving machine gun with both hands, and after struggling to control the direction of the gun, he finally managed to stop the shooting. For reference, during this process, the Russian soldier in the back was also seen grabbing the machine gun and burning his hand on the barrel. The accident is blamed on how the weapon was mounted and recoil control problems. Yak-B is an aircraft weapon developed for mounting on the hind attack helicopter's turret or gun pod, featuring a very high rate of fire. Weapons like this are designed so that the entire helicopter can withstand the recoil, but ordinary military trucks are not made to handle such shock. In particular, analysts say because the rotary mount was not properly secured during firing, the recoil directly caused the gun to spin. The reason the Russian military is testing this kind of equipment is because of drone attacks by the Ukrainian military. Ukraine has recently targeted supply vehicles carrying fuel and ammunition, increasing pressure on Russian rear supply lines. In response, the Russian military has started operating mobile fire teams that move with supply vehicles and directly shoot down approaching drones. However, as shown in the footage, hastily mounting aircraft weapons onto ground vehicles reveals several issues in terms of operational stability and safety. As drone attacks from Ukraine continue to increase, the Russian military is finding it difficult to respond with only their existing air defense equipment, and there is a growing trend on the ground of modifying and using the equipment they already have. However, considering the issues revealed in this test, it is still unclear whether this equipment will continue to be deployed on the actual front lines or if it will undergo further modifications. If more news comes up, I'll make and upload a video. This concludes the video. Thank you.